Large language model agents are powerful tools. They summarize documents, manage calendars, and even write code. To do this, they need a certain level of autonomy or agency to interact with other systems and perform actions for us. But when these agents are given more capabilities or permissions than they need, we face a serious security risk: excessive agency. Imagine a digital assistant meant only to read your emails, but it can also send and delete them. That's unnecessary power, and a hidden danger. A simple mistake, misunderstanding, or malicious prompt could turn this helpful tool into a source of real damage. This isn't just theory. Security experts, including OWASP, recognize excessive agency as a growing concern. Developers often enable broad permissions or too many plugins for convenience, not realizing the risks. The result? AI systems that work fine until something goes wrong, and those extra powers are misused. The key is to be precise with what we allow these agents to do. Every permission and action must be justified and tightly controlled. Without discipline, we're leaving a loaded weapon on the table, hoping nothing goes wrong. True security means building AI that's powerful but always under control. Excessive agency in LLM agents comes from three main sources: too much functionality, too many permissions, and too much autonomy. First, excessive functionality, when agents get more tools or plugins than they need. For example, a chatbot meant to answer questions shouldn't be able to edit the company's knowledge base. Every extra function increases the attack surface. Second, excessive permissions. Classic security mistake, now amplified by AI. If an agent only needs to read sales data, don't give it write or delete access. Even a simple AI error could wipe out critical records. The principle of least privilege is essential. Only give the minimum access needed. Third, excessive autonomy, when agents can act without human oversight. An agent that deletes files or transfers funds without confirmation is a liability. Human-in-the-loop checks are critical for any sensitive or irreversible action. These three issues often combine, creating a perfect storm of risk. Developers may prioritize convenience, but that can lead to disaster. Secure design means scrutinizing every permission and function, no more, no less. The goal: agents that do their job and nothing more. Anything else is an open invitation for trouble. Excessive agency leads to real-world risks: plugin misuse, privilege escalation, and AI mistakes. Plugins let LLMs interact with external systems. If a plugin can read, write, and delete files, it's a target for attackers. A malicious prompt could trick the agent into erasing documents or inserting harmful content. Overly broad permissions make things worse. An AI assistant with full mailbox access could be manipulated into forwarding confidential info or sending phishing emails. The agent becomes an unwitting accomplice in a breach. Then there are AI mistakes, hallucinations. If an agent misinterprets a prompt and acts with excessive power, the consequences can be catastrophic. Imagine asking to clean a test server, but the agent deletes the production server instead. Without confirmation steps, these errors become disasters. Excessive agency turns helpful tools into liabilities, causing data loss, financial damage, and outages. The core problem: agents trusted with more power than they can safely handle. Better design and strict controls are the solution. To reduce excessive agency risks, follow these key steps. Limit extensions and functionality. Only enable essential plugins and tools. Remove anything non-essential to shrink the attack surface. Enforce least privilege. Give agents only the permissions they absolutely need, as granular as possible. Use user credentials, not super user accounts, for agent actions. Require user confirmation for risky or irreversible actions. Always keep a human in the loop. Log and monitor all agent actions for suspicious activity. Downstream systems should revalidate every request, never blindly trust the agent. This layered defense keeps AI agents powerful, but contained. Safety comes from deliberate, disciplined design. Managing excessive agency starts with best practices. Integrate them from design to deployment. Use a checklist, minimize extensions, enforce least privilege, require human approval, use user context execution, enforce complete mediation, and maintain detailed logs. This framework shifts the focus from building the most powerful agent to building the safest one. Each layer adds protection, creating a robust system of checks and balances. Security doesn't stifle innovation, it enables it. Excessive agency is a major challenge in generative AI, but it's manageable. Understand the root causes and implement layered defenses. Prioritize security in every AI design. The goal: AI that empowers, not endangers. With the right controls, we can harness AI's power safely.